Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make stuffed pomfret. We need to follow a few steps while preparing this dish, but it is all worth it when we take the first bite. So let's get started. Choose a big size fish. Make few slits on top of the fish and also slit a pocket for the stuffing. Remove the fins and gills. Wash and pat dry the fish. Look at this pocket you need to slit for the stuffing. Ingredients needed: half onions chopped, 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, half inch of ginger, half cup coriander leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon semolina, 2 to 3 garlic pods, 1 green chilli, half a lime juice, salt to taste. In a mixer jar, add the garlic pods, the ginger, green chilli, lime juice, and coriander leaves. Add no or very little water. Grind to a smooth paste. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the chopped onions. Sauté it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the green paste. Mix well and cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes to get a very thick consistency. Start stuffing this paste into the pocket of that pomfret. Add good amount of the paste into the pocket and also spread it all around the fish. Turn the fish and repeat the same for the other side. Spread semolina on a plate. Add the turmeric. Add little chili powder, salt to taste, and mix this mixture. Coat the fish with this mixture gently on both the sides. Tie or use threads to hold the masala. Tie at least 3 threads so that it holds the masala well, and see to it that the masalas don't ooze out. Again, Heat oil in a pan and gently place the fish into the pan. Fry the fish for around 4 to 5 minutes each side. Once done, cut and remove the threads, and your stuffed pomfret is ready. Doesn't it look delicious? Enjoy cooking and subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao!